Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to do a small grocery haul. So I got some potatoes and got some ginger and a mustard, and I got some green split peas. Got 4 of these lemons, and this is onion. I wanted the red one, but they didn't have any. Mandarin, apples. I got 2 cilantros here. These are from Aldi. And then I got 8 bunches of cilantro from another store. And this is peanuts. So I got 2 red cabbage. Last time I tried red cabbage. They're really awesome. So I'm gonna do a video on red cabbage benefits. And I got kale, 4 bunches. Cilantro, this time I got like 8 this and 2 plus. So I did 10 bunches. So this is 8 over here, and I got 2 more already. And these are scallions. So I got only 2 of these. So they used to be 4 for $1. Now they're 2 for $1.69. And I'm getting this so I can chop off the bottom and grow it on my own. I got 2 of this chicken tikka masala. Now the name is chicken tikka masala, but you know, don't have to use it for chicken. If you don't eat meat, you can use it for any vegetable, and there's no chicken about it. So it's just, these are the ingredients you see. So there is no chicken. And the reason I get this kind, because I have to read my ingredients. See, there's salt, cumin seed, red chili pepper, black pepper, nutmeg, hairy cucumber, green chili, coriander, turmeric, mace, citric acid as acidity regulator, paprika. Now there is no MSG or any kind of food color or anything, so that's why I get this spice. Wherever I have to read it to see, make sure there's none of those chemical ingredients. Here we are using so much cilantro to clean it up, and I want to put some more again. So I got here 2 big chunks of pumpkin. Just get the cut pieces, big ones are so huge. And here 3 huge cabbages. These are just regular cabbages, and I got red one too. And this is just a snack, all kinds of lentil mix. And that's soya bean, some garlic, and this is radish green. I'm going to use the bottom part to grow it again. They grow, and I use the greens. And this is Napa cabbage. I got 2 of these. And these found first time. Manuka honey. Usually I buy it online. They're very expensive online, like $50. So this one I got it 2 of these. This Manuka honey is supposed to be really good, but this is, let's see how this is. I usually get it online. So this was a little bit of my grocery haul for today. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.